Hey guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you kind of a mini haul I got for my design team package for Country Craft Creations, as well as something new in the shop, and remember the time YouTube Hop winner, because I have not made a video yet for that, so I'm a little late on making that just because of my crazy work schedule. I miss crafting so much, and I can't wait for the holidays to be over so I can get back to a normal schedule and start making some really fun stuff with you guys. So let me share with you what I got. So we're going to do the hop winner at the end. So yes, you do have to watch. I'm excited to see these. I've not opened those yet. I did just get those in the mail. They're new spacers that we're going to have. So those are going to be a lot of fun because you know me and my tools. So let me go real quick on what I received. So I did get the Graphic 45 dies, and this has the tags and the pockets and of course butterflies. I have a thing for butterflies. So with the spring and summer stuff coming up, and even just any time of year, actually, you can use a butterfly all the time. So I'm really excited to use these. Maybe I will run these through my machine real quick so I can get a better look at them because I really want to play with them. And I've missed crafting so much. So we will go ahead and give those a try. I also got a full pack of artisan cardstock. This is the black in linen, and I'm excited to use this. Shamefully, I have to admit I haven't used this yet, and I hear so many wonderful things about it, so I am really excited to go ahead and try that. And I also received some foam stickers. I got them in black because, again, I use a lot of black cardstock. So when I go ahead and want to make pop-up elements and things like that, the black is going to be a little bit more harder to see, where the white is just going to be kind of like, hey, I'm hiding under here. And for the paper collection, I chose Midnight Kiss, and this paper is absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors with it. When I first saw it, sometimes, you're hard to see the colors online versus in person, but just even seeing what I saw online, I knew that this paper was really pretty and I couldn't wait to work with it. So anyway, it's Midnight Kiss. And we have our little cut-aparts, little tags and stuff. And they're pretty. The pink is like our hot pink on some of these spots, so it adds like a nice pop of color. And then the back. And then more cut-aparts. These are tags. And then here, pretty. And also some nice pieces along the end for extra design elements. And then this is new. I saw this and this was really fun. So you have envelopes and stuff now and corner pockets. So these are going to be really pretty to go ahead and get your pages all coordinated with pockets and everything. And then the back of this, absolutely beautiful. I love this. This almost reminds me of like an older vintage couch or something. And if I could get a piece of furniture in that color, that would be so pretty. And some more corner pockets and tags. See a nice corner pocket here, one right here. And then the back side has images too. So if you, obviously with the backside image, you don't have to worry about like the black base or whatever color base you want to use. And the clocks. Need I say anything more about clocks? Pretty. And had I not already done 2 clocks, I can't even tell you how tempted I am to make a New Year's clock. I can't say it may not happen, but we'll see. You never know. I feel like you guys might get tired if I keep making clocks, but I'm kind of addicted to it, so we'll see. This one is really screaming clocks to me. And then another one. This is more of a matte look. It's very mild, where some of the other papers, like right here, it's like kind of shiny. This one's kind of matte, and it's actually very pretty. Right here. That actually is pretty close to what it looks like. And it almost looks like that gold is like gold leafing and stuff, and you could definitely use the gold foiling. And a cute little dancing couple. So pretty. right here. And that's really pretty. Kind of the vintage look with the old time cars, and then like the lampposts and stuff you might have seen back in the 50s, 60s era, where it was really kind of neat. And then a little crossword or patchword. I don't know. I can't word. Really pretty. And the happy dancing couple. The balloons just look like they're popping off of it, and you can almost envision the disco ball spinning. And then the back side. And that is that for that paper collection. All right, so what's new in the shop? Spacers. So you always see me using a lot of the spacers that I have. So these I use a lot when I'm going ahead and laying down my book covers. And now we have new ones. And I believe these are 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Let me just double check. I'm pretty sure. Yep, 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4. So they do have a protective coating on them. And when you get them, you can just go ahead and peel that off. And then the other side, so that way you should be able to see through. So these are going to be a lot of fun. Yep, so you can see right through if you need to see your paper. Anyway, I can't wait to get started on these spacers and show you what you can go ahead and do with them. And let's just throw in the Remember the Time YouTube Hop winner. So I didn't get this out sooner just because of my crazy work schedule. It is absolutely insane. So I apologize for not getting the winner up sooner. However, the winner here, you can contact me. I'll leave it a little while because I know it's going to be hard to see the video if you happen to miss it. So I will leave this open until, let's go with December 26th. If you see this, go ahead and contact me. I will leave a link down below for the email to reach out to me. But anyway, the winner of the YouTube Hop, so just get in touch with me by the 26th of December, the day after Christmas, and I will send you via email a $25 gift certificate to Country Craft Creations to go ahead and shop. So without further ado, paper drum roll, Debbie Lindblom. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the last name correctly. However, you won my Hop prize from the Remember the Time YouTube Hop, sponsored by Country Craft Creations. So go ahead and shoot me an email and I will get you that certificate out to you in the email. All right, so let's go ahead and play with these a little bit. So let me cut them out and I will show you. All right, so I went ahead and cut these out. Whoops. I think I'm gonna have to cut that one. It didn't cut all the way through. So I use the Christmas Dreams paper from Country Craft Creations. And that didn't cut out all the way. I'm never going to get that back in my machine, so let me trim that. Alright, so I got that out and that. So let's just go ahead, show you how cute that pocket's going to be. So if you ink the edges a little bit, so let's just make that stand out a little better. And this side. part that you're going to see. I'm using vintage photo, by the way. That's so cute. All right, let's throw just a little bit of tape on here so we can make it look good. We're not going to go too crazy. And of course, I didn't cut out the butterfly dies with the tags, because it's just butterflies, although they are very pretty and look very detailed. You could make some Christmas butterflies though. So go ahead, stick that down. So now I have a little pocket. And then let's ink the edge on this one real quick. Just so you can see it. Okay. And then just fits right into the little pocket. Isn't that so cute? That's going to be so much fun to do. And comes right back out. And these would be cute to go ahead and add to a Christmas tag, whatever you want. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm sorry again that I have been MIA. It is a crazy retail holiday season, and I am so happy that I am only down to, I think, 7 days left, which I am so ready for. Anyway, I will go ahead, leave all the links to the stuff down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and purchase that stuff too. The butterfly dies, absolutely pretty, and I cannot wait to start playing with those and make some really fun pockets and stuff in the albums. Anyway, until next time, guys, happy crafting, and if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, guys, bye!